I'm Leon Schrijnwerkers and I see this plot the first time. What I see is that from our varieties, Duke is good productive, Draper is good productive, very. Calypso is very productive and Megasblue. What I see is that they grow good, they grow uniform. Yeah, the berries are big and I'm happy. I'm happy with it. I see all kinds of different varieties, but I like these the best. And there's a lot of different tests with different varieties, different systems of rain cover or tunnel. And that's good that the test is done. The only thing which I see is that there's a difference of about 2 meters in height. So when it freezes in the spring or maybe in the winter, you will have a fairly big difference in temperature down. Well, it will be maybe 2, 3, 4 degrees colder as on top. So that is an issue. But the rest I see is a nice test plot, and I'm happy with our varieties. They are growing good. They are 100% true to name. There's no mix, and yeah, I'm happy and very good. The future blueberry production in Holland will be more and more mechanical harvesting. We bought already 30 years ago the first van machine, which is now Oxbow. But last year we bought the first fine field machine, and this year we bought the second because we are very satisfied with it. We can harvest dessert quality, so good fresh dessert quality with the fine field machine and the good sorting line. So we are now working with 2 fine field machines in Duke. Of course, the berries on the plant must be a good quality. That is also for hand picking, but also for machine picking. The quality of the berries should be good. The pruning should be done correctly. The substrate hill should be, I think, about 40 centimeters high, so that the closing system closes at the base of the plant, and then you get a good result. We are very happy with it, and now it's I think the 5th of July. Last week we already harvested by machine with the fine field fresh quality, which is already sold, and we got a good price. A very good price, and it's mechanical harvesting, so it's not so expensive as hand picking. Hand picking in Holland costs minimum €2 brutto per kilo, and with the fine field machine we are talking about, in our calculation, about 80 euro cents per kilo. But then we have a lot of hectares. Last year we picked with the first fine field machine 175 tons. So yeah, you must have acreage or hectares to let the machine run as much as possible, and you must have the varieties which are suitable for the machine picking. Duke goes very well. Draper goes super. Draper we pick in 3 times with the machine, and it's dessert quality. And once again, the quality on the plant must be good. So you must have good weather, no 40 degrees or too much rain. But it works perfectly for us, and that's my vision for the future, to cut costs with picking. There is a big margin to get for the growers. So think about the future when you are planting. Plant on a hill with substrate, and think about mechanical harvesting. It's possible to pick every variety with the machine, but the best is to have firmer berries, of course. And when it's very hot weather, yeah, the berries get more soft, so you should maybe limit the picking to doing it at night when it's dry, or very early in the morning, that you have a colder berry. A colder berry is harder. And of course, yeah, I think Duke, Draper is a very good. Liberty we did last year also with the machine.